Hello guys! So today, I schedule ni Smudge ng vaccination. Yearly vaccination niya at lahat-lahat na. So dapat nga anong last month pa ito, kaso ngayon lang nagka-time at nagka-budget. So yun na nga, we're on our way to Alphabet, located here at Jumeirah ba yan, Tars? Jumeirah, malapit sa Diafa. Along the road siya, guys, okay? So, walking distance lang siya. Mga 15 minutes walk from our home. So, ayan si Smudge. Smudge! Smudge! Ayan siya. Okay. Smudge! Oy, luoy. So, nakapayong ako. Pinayungan ko siya. Uy. So, we're almost there. Ayan si Smudge. Hello, Smudge. We're here na at Alphabet. Ayun. Hello. Ayan, this is Smudge. We are here na at Alphabet Clinic. Okay. May wifi kayo dito, be? Ayun yung kuan. Oh. 5.3, no?
Just bring some water
Yeah.
and let her relax because she.
It's fine like this.
Yeah. She will not.
Oh. Goodbye, Smudge.
Good boy. Good boy. Yes. Yes.
So you have a passport?
Smudge. Oh.
Done. Done.
And also anti-rabies.
This is the PCH. This is the anti-rabies. I give it now.
Smudge.
This one little bit painful.
Good boy.
Strong. You are strong.
Oy. Good boy, Smudge.
Massage.
Good boy, Smudge. Shh. Good boy man among baby, oy. Very good. Diyan po. Okay. Thank you na. Thank you, Doc. Ayan, Thank you po. Ayan, guys. Tapos na po. Hi, Smudge! So, yun na nga, guys. Okay naman siya. Healthy naman. Walang complications. Pero overweight siya. Kailangan mag-diet. At saka, guys, may mga pusa dyan. Huwag niyo pakainin ng cat treats. Kasi hindi maganda ang treats. At least 3 beses or 4 na beses sa isang linggo. Kasi hindi maganda. Kasi sobrang daming protein, hindi maganda. Nakakasira ng liver ng pusa as per doc. So, yun lang guys. Kailangan nyo ipa-check up yung mga pusa ninyo annually. Thanks for watching. Ang ganda dito sa Alphabet Clinic. Okay guys, bye! Hey guys, tapos na kami today. Okay. So, pauwi na. Hi, Smudge! Smudge! Oh. Tapos na rin ang kanyang annual check-up. Okay naman lahat. Walang problema. Pero, obese, overweight. Kailangan niya mag-diet. Diet na, Smudge, oy! Kailangan mag-diet. Thank you all for watching. Bye!